So, what's on the minds of special needs transportation professionals? In this episode of The Route, our school bus fleet content series, I'm going to go over some of the results from our recent annual survey, which was sponsored by AMF Bruns of America. I'm Wes Platt, Executive Editor. Before we get to it, please click like on this and all our other videos. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You're going to find links to all those social channels in the details of this video. Okay, let's get rolling. So we're going to publish the full survey in our February print edition of School Bus Fleet, but in this episode, I'll give a quick preview of the findings from our Special Needs Transportation Survey. Let's start here. There's shortage on the minds for many survey respondents. Not enough aides and substitute drivers, not enough younger drivers, not enough time for scheduled special needs training, not enough time to certify drivers, not enough new buses coming quickly enough from the assembly line thanks to supply chain shortages and backlogs. This is coming at a time when more than half of our school bus fleet survey respondents indicated that they've seen increased demand for special needs transportation services. Most special needs drivers, about 90%, make the same as their general education counterparts. 9% make more, some make less. And what are they driving? Well, only about half the operations surveyed are using Type A school buses, while more than 64% use Type C conventional buses. More than 31% use vans. Fleets that use vans mostly go with Ford Transit and Dodge Caravan vehicles. Now let's check out some of the technological options aboard the bus. Fewer than 2/3 of respondents indicated that all of their vehicles are equipped with electronic systems to remind drivers to check for students in the back of the bus after a run. About 82% are fitted with video surveillance equipment. Less than 8% reported using electronic tracking systems for their passengers. Something new we asked about this year: outsourcing of special needs transportation services. 63% of our survey respondents said they are not considering outsourcing during the next 12 months. 15% already outsource. 3% are thinking about it this year. 12% said they might outsource depending on how this year goes. Of the operations that outsource, more than half went with an alternative transportation service like Everdriven or Hop Skip Drive. 38% are using a school bus contractor operation. How do these results compare to your special needs transportation outfit? Let us know in the comments. Speaking of surveys, we're now accepting responses for our annual maintenance survey until early February. Sorry for the short notice on that, but March is creeping up really quickly, and we need to get those answers in. We're looking for your input about technician pay, fleet age, your top shop challenges, and other topics. Your final results will appear in the March print edition of School Bus Fleet. Look for the survey link in the details of this video. And next up, Administrator of the Year. We're still looking for your suggestions, your nominations. If you know an amazing school transportation director who needs recognition for their efforts, let me know. We're going to be accepting nominations until February 7th. We're looking for candidates either at the state or local district level, people who have made significant contributions in their districts or through national and state associations. You can find the nomination form link again in the details of this video. All right, it's time to park the bus for now. Thank you for watching. Here's a shout out to Facebook follower Don Shields Sr. Tell your friends about The Route. If you've got news, you can reach out to me by email at wes.platt@bobbit.com. Tweet us at School Bus Fleet. Please sign up for our twice weekly e-newsletter that comes out every Tuesday and Thursday. Drive safely, and see you next time on The Route.